I want him from the end of the first round to know, oh shit, I'm outclassed, what do I do?
Ansem versus BitBoy!
They must be talking a lot of shit, honestly, online. I just let him speak.
And it doesn't matter if he shows up or not, he's still gonna lose. I fight because I'm good at it and I like to hit people. It's important to keep this undefeated record intact, and that's what I'm gonna do. Dream, right? Like, I only won one championship in my entire life. It was in baseball when I was 8. And I kind of thought that was the peak of my athletic career. And what I'm finding out is now there still may be a light at the end of the tunnel. You know, a lot of people, they don't want to be a statistic. But for me, when my record is 3-0, asterisk 1 knockout, maybe even 1 TKO, you're going to be that statistic.